Right, 6 jigger moves, 6 minutes. Let's get going. First one is very, very simple. You're going to grab hold of the jigger between your index finger and your thumb, palm facing up. You're going to spin it over. Once you spun it to there, you're going to get your little finger behind it, turn your hand over again and let it drop in between your ring finger and your little finger. You're going to steady it with your thumb underneath, make your pour, then use your thumb to steady the pour forwards, put it back into place. Second one is a finger spinning move whilst you're choosing your bottle to pour with or talking to your guest, exactly how I did it there. So all we're doing is a finger spin with the grail, grabbing it into position and then making our pour. So to start with, you're gonna have my strong hand, my right hand, palm facing up. I'm gonna grab in between with my pinky and my ring. Then from there, I'm just gonna twist and let my middle finger come into play, twist again, my index finger, twist, and now I'm in position, ready to pour. But obviously, you're supposed to do it when you're not looking, and then you bring your bottle in, and then you can finish off with your pour. This fourth pour is one of my favorites because it's almost like a magic trick. Although it looks quite difficult, it's very easy to perform. The trick here is you want to get the backside of your hand slightly moist. You want to increase the surface tension over there. Then you're going to grab in between with your index finger and your thumb, the top of the jigger, which is facing down, swing it around up onto your hand. So first of all, just practice getting the jigger into the right position, which is there, okay? Then from that point, you can practice grabbing and then putting it into place. And then eventually you should be able to do it in one fluid motion. Now from there, you can grab hold of the jigger and pour, or if you want, you can flip it to the other hand, pick up your bottle and then make your pour. This one is called the Topsy Turvy and it's very easy to perform, but you do need a grail jigger to be able to do so. Most of the time your grail jigger is going to be on the bar top like this. You're just going to push it over with the bottle. You're going to continue moving and then you're just going to push the base and then it should stand up next to the bottle like so. It's a great way to present the bottle if you're not ready to pour with it just yet. So then you can do that. Do something else for the cocktail, pick up your jigger and then make your pour. This last jigger move is a pour with the jigger, as you just saw, and it's a lot more difficult than what it may look. It's a move which I've seen a guy called Wowstrad on Instagram do, and it's truly awesome, and he has a very, very unique style and way of flaring behind the bar. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and check him out. And I've kind of figured out how to do the move. I'm not doing it the justice that it needs. But basically, you're gonna hold onto the jigger in between your index finger and your middle finger. You're gonna pour. Now I'm only pouring about 30 mils, that's one shot. Now the trick here is you're pouring, and as you pour the ingredients, you come past your shaker and you place the jigger on the bar top in one fluid motion. So you've got to be quick, and then you've also got to miss your shaker or the glass or whatever you're pouring into. Now a little tip here is make sure that you've got a little bit of liquid inside your shaker beforehand. So if you're making a cocktail, ensure that you've already put in like the sugar syrup or the lime juice or whatever it may be. And then when you come to make your pour, obviously ensure that you can do this 10 out of 10 before you start using real booze. Woo! And then you can clip hold of the shaker. You can clip the shaker like that, so be careful. but I hope you agree it's a seriously impressive move. Go and check out that guy Wowstrad on the Instagram and check out some of his other movements and the style that he has behind the bar, because it's truly awesome. Get these moves nailed and you'll be looking like a super pro bartender in no time. Plus, if you wanted to get some extra tips and advice like these guys, you can join us on the Patreon platform, where we're building a community of flair bartenders, where these guys and girls get to ask me any advice on any of the moves that they may be struggling with. So I've left a link in the description if you want to go and check that one out. But that is it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, switch on those notifications so you can learn new moves with me every single Flair Friday. I'll see you next week.